In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set granular permissions in WorkDrive. If you manage shared content, the key is understanding two layers of control: role-based access at the team folder level and custom permissions at the folder level. Roles are the broad rules. An admin has full control, including adding or removing members, changing settings, moving and sharing, and editing everything. An organizer can add or remove members, organize content, and share files. An editor can view, add, edit, and rename files and folders. A commenter can view and leave comments. A viewer can view, and when downloads aren't restricted, download files. By default, whatever role someone has in a team folder flows down to all files and subfolders inside it. When you need precision, switch to custom folder permissions. This lets you grant access to just one folder or subfolder, even if the person is part of the larger team folder. On the web, open your team folder, then right-click the specific folder or subfolder you want to control. Choose Share or Customize permissions, depending on what your interface shows. Add the users or groups you want, then assign the exact level: View Only, Edit or Contributor, Organize, or Full Access or Admin. Finally, save your changes. After a folder is customized, it becomes its own rule set. The team folder role no longer applies automatically, and you decide exactly who gets in and what they can do. Subfolders typically inherit these custom rules until you change them again. And remember, admins always retain full access, so you can't lock them out. Here's a simple example. Imagine a marketing team folder with subfolders for campaigns, budgets, and design assets. You might set campaigns so everyone in the team can view it. Design assets could be edited only by the design group. Budgets might be visible only to managers, so others don't even see it listed. You achieve that by opening each subfolder and customizing who can view or edit, rather than relying solely on the parent team folder role. As projects evolve, you can adjust permissions at any time. Go back to the folder, right-click, and edit permissions. Add or remove people, change their level, or reset the folder to inherit the team folder defaults if you no longer need custom control. With these tools, you'll keep the right eyes on the right content, minimize oversharing, and stay organized across every project.